there's a section called feeds. And if you go into feeds, there's a section called materials. So this is where first you create all your materials and the maximum width it supports. And then if you go into the materials, you can also create all the colors for that and the images for that, each of that color. And you can either create that one by one or upload the whole bulk, directly create that for you. So first you will create the material, and then you would go into calculations where all your products are configured. So example, right now you have these products configured. So if you go into roller shades, inside roller shades, you have 3 shades are configured, room darkening, because wherever you see that green icon active, that's what's active. So if I go into screen shades, you have all these fields. And if you go to the type, this is where all your prices are configured, 1 to 11. I go into group 1, this is your pricing grid. And if I scroll down, the materials related to that is linked. So if you click them, it'll bring up all the materials you previously created. You just have to select the ones that you want to link to that group and add. So this is how you would link your materials. So if this is, you can either do this on your own, or you can send us the clear instruction, like group 1, these are the materials, group 2, these are the materials, and our data team can support you with that as well.